So today we're going to show you how to break down a chicken. There's a couple of different ways to do this, but the best place to start is to remove the wishbone. This applies to breaking down most poultry. So just simply find the location of the wishbone with your thumb, take a sharp knife, and then follow the bone all around. After, just simply pull out the wishbone. It's good to do this gently because you don't want to break the wishbone. And normally it will just come out in one easy pull like this. Next, we're going to remove the legs and thighs. So I'd like to keep the skin on for this. So we're going to tuck the skin down a little bit and we're going to make a small cut on each side. Next, we're going to flip over the chicken and we're just going to bend the legs back and you should hear the joints pop out. Turn the chicken on its side and then take your sharp knife, and this shouldn't require a lot of effort, just let the knife do the work and the leg should just come right off. Repeat with the other side, and now we're going to do the breasts. So there's a couple of different ways to do this, but today we're going to cut these into Suprême. So you're going to find the keel bone and then follow that all the way down. And you want to be careful not to disrupt the skin. Just keep following the bone gently, separate the meat from the bone, and it should just come right off like that. So now just pop off the breast, and then we're ready for the next step. So now we're going to separate the wing tips from the drumette. And because this is a Suprême, we're going to remove the meat around the drumette. So just make a nice clean cut around where the drumette meets the breast. Then next, make a cut along the bone and remove all the meat from the drumette. Don't throw out the meat. This is perfect for stir fries or stews or just about anything. So once you have most of the meat removed, you want to clean the bone as much as possible. Scrape any leftover meat or connective tissue, and then take a nice big heavy set of scissors, and then just cut off the tip of the bone, and there's our Suprême. Some chefs like to remove the skin and tenderize it, but I think it's better left like this. Well, I hope you found that video useful. If you did, please like it and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. And if you enjoy our content, consider supporting us on Patreon. And as always, happy cooking.